Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken cordon bleu paninis. Alright guys, I'm starting out here. For the sake of time I jumped ahead a few steps, but I'll explain to you. I took some chicken breasts and I cut them in half to make them thinner. I sprayed them down with a little bit of olive oil. Then I seasoned them with some of this McCormick's Himalayan pink sea salt and black pepper and garlic. You can use any seasonings you like. Then I put a little flour on them. I scrambled up 3 eggs and put a little more of that seasoning in it. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my chicken and I'm going to dip it in some egg. And the reason you put the flour in there is it helps the egg stick to the chicken, and then the egg helps the chicken stick to your breading. I'm using Italian seasoned breadcrumb. You could also use plain breadcrumb if you like. This adds extra flavor. And I'm going to go ahead and just shake that around to get that breadcrumb coated in there. Now I have a skillet here with about a ½ inch of vegetable oil in it. That's nice and warm. I have it turned down on low. I'm going to get my chicken here. I'm going to fry it on both sides till it's golden brown. Right now that I have my chicken all browned up and I have it over here draining on some paper towel. I have everything all set up here. I have some ciabatta rolls. I'm going to take a little bit of butter spread. Now you don't have to do this, but this is going to make them that much more better. I'm going to take that butter spread and I'm going to smear it on the outside of the bread. Just a light coating, you don't need much. And I'm just going to put one sandwich together now. And when it's time to throw them on the panini press, we'll bring it back. Now I'm going to lay my bottom piece of bread down. I'm going to take a slice of Swiss cheese, lay it on there. Then I'm going to take a slice of cooked deli ham and a piece of chicken. Then I'm going to take my top piece of bread and put it on top. I'm going to go ahead and make all my sandwiches up and I'll bring it back. Alright, now that my sandwiches are all put together and my George Foreman panini press is heated up, I'm going to open this up. And guys, if you're interested where I got this at QVC. It was a decent price. I'm going to do 3 sandwiches in the first round and then I'll do 2 in the second round. Now this is a George Foreman grill and a panini press, so you can use it for either. It comes with a little drain tray for grease and has a hinged lid. I'm going to get my sandwiches down on here and I'm going to let them go for a few minutes till they're nice and golden brown. Alright, my sandwiches are done. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and put some Dijon mustard on mine and some tater crowns on the side here. You can put any topping you like on your sandwich. Something else that would be really great on there is some horseradish sauce. Let me get in here and give this a try. Bread's nice and crispy, toasty. Chicken's cooked through, it's tender. Get that ham and cheese. And then you get that Dijon mustard. And guys, that breading on that chicken, that's really delicious. These weren't hard at all. They're totally homemade, really delicious. Alright, there you have it. Chicken cordon bleu paninis. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.